Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're diving into another quick tip from our Don't Say series. Before we get started, don't forget to check out the other videos in this playlist to keep boosting your English skills. All right, let's go. So today's phrase is one we all use, I'm tired. It's okay, but honestly, it's pretty basic. If you want to express yourself more naturally and let people really know how you feel, there are much better ways to say it. Instead of saying, I'm tired, try these. I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
Exhausted? I'm exhausted.
I'm drained.
I'm drained.
Or if you're really feeling it, go for I'm running on empty.
The whole agency's running on empty.
Want to sound more casual? Try I'm beat.
I'm beat.
Or I'm dead tired. See how much more real and expressive these sound? You're not just tired, you're dead tired. And now people really know how you're feeling. Using different expressions like these makes you sound more fluent and native-like, and it helps avoid repeating the same boring words over and over. If you enjoyed this tip, be sure to subscribe and check out the other videos in the Don't Say, But Say series. We've got loads more tips to help you sound more natural in English. Until next time, don't just be tired, be wiped out. See you in the next one.